Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code with Google Chrome. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open your Google Chrome browser and then just put in any website that you want. So let's say we just go to here youtube.com. So from here what you have to do is just simply tap on these three dots and scroll down, hover your mouse on this, cast, save and share, and you will see these options. Tap on this, create QR code, and here is your website link. You are just going to download it. It's going to go right into your downloads folder. You can open it right up, and then it has the little dinosaur in the middle, and all you need to do is take this QR code and you can put it anywhere. This will direct you right to YouTube, which is the link that we decided to open. So you could put any link, any browser or any website, and then just create the QR code with that button. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create QR code with Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.